Today's topic is interleaving the two strings. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one that is by using a join and a zip method, and the method two by using join, zip and to the iter tools. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a join and to the zip functions. So first we are going to initialize our both of the strings which we need to interleave together. After that we are going to use them, that is for I and to the j, by zipping the string 1 and to the string 2 together. We are adding I and to the j both together, and we are using the join to combine them together. That is after each and every element, that is the first will be a1 and after that the second element will be b2, so we need to combine both of them together. So that's why we are using a join, and we are storing this whole combined value into the string number 3 variable, and after that we have them as an output.